G'day folks, Conor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. And today we're doing a quick video on how to turn on lens breathing correction in your Canon camera, specifically with the Canon R6 Mark II. But if your Canon camera has this option, you will also be able to turn it on by following these steps. Now, lens breathing correction gives you just a little bit more quality in the production of your video. So if you're like me and you shoot mainly for YouTube, you probably really don't care about this little feature. But if you're shooting for any customers or you're shooting something that you're going to present to others that you really value and you want the best possible product you can offer, then you definitely want to use this feature in your Canon camera. And what is lens breathing? Well, it's quite simple. If you put your lens on your camera and focus on the foreground and then focus on the background, you can actually see your field of view zoom in a little bit. And it's just a smidgen, just a very small amount, but it is very noticeable when you see it. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's there for all the world to see and it'll bug the shit out of you. So that's what lens breathing is. Now, not all lenses can be corrected through the Canon R6 Mark II. Your lens has to offer this ability. Now, if it doesn't, a simple firmware upgrade for your lens might be able to help you do this. And let me know in the comments if you want to see how to upgrade your lens firmware in another video. I'll be happy to do that for you. But once you've upgraded your firmware for your lens, there will be an option there, lens breathing correction, in your menu settings. So let's jump in and have a look at how we do this. So you're going to turn on your Canon camera and you're going to press the menu button. Then on the far left of your row of menu options is the camera symbol. Click on that. Then you want to go down one level and scroll across to menu option number 5. Once in there, you're going to have a few different options and you want to scroll down to distortion correction. It's probably off by default. But when you click on there and turn it on, and then go back one, you will then get an option to turn on lens breathing correction. Go in there, enable it, and then you can go back and you'll be able to see that your lens breathing has now gone. Now, they do note on the Canon product manual that this might cause some artifacts within your image. So you're going to have to choose between artifacts or your field of view, zooming a little bit when you focus on something in the background, but that's a choice for you to make as the artistic owner of the video that you're creating. Now, I, for one, didn't notice too many artifacts, but it will be noticeable to some of you. So what does that look like in real world scenario? And it can look like two things. The first one is your field of view changes when you focus from front to back on your image. And then you get a little bit of zooming in on the image so that your field of view changes. The other one is when you tap to focus on something, it can focus on it, but it just breathes in and out really quickly as it's focusing on it. And it does look pretty cheap and nasty in that way. So how does Canon do this? They actually crop in a little bit on the image and then they use their processor to be able to compensate for it in camera, which is pretty cool. Like, you can do this in your editing software, but it's much better if you can do it in camera. Canon's given us the ability there with the R6. So here it is. This is what it looks like in real world situation. So focus breathing, your lens breathes and your field of view can change slightly. Thank you, Canon, for bringing this to the R6. We dig it. So I definitely think that lens breathing correction is an issue and it's something that you might want to take out of your videos, and this video hopefully will help you do that. That's pretty much it, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more Canon R6 how-to videos. Well, let me know if you want to, but I'm definitely going to be putting more on the channel anyway. Thank you all for watching this video and I will catch you in the next one. Check out.